So good evening. If you can't tell where we are at Scream Factory. This is for their My Bloody Valentines event. Happy Valentines to everyone. We're going to go through in a little while and we'll let you know what it's like when we come out the other side.
Hi, handsome.
Hello.
She's still at it.
The big O. Go, baby, go. Do you mind?
Yeah.
How's it going? You have a nice time?
Very good time.
We'll see you on the run.
Well, how?
Hi.
Yeah, no, just 'cause I'm driving.
So good evening everyone, that's us done here at Scream Factory, and oh my god, that was absolutely bloody hilarious. So if you've never done Scream Factory before, it's a one tour round the whole place. It's normally about a 45 minute attraction. All the scenes that are there that have been there before were there. Obviously the clowns and the hillbillies and the mines, all of them have been given a super sexual, over the top but absolutely hilarious makeover. So there was lots of innuendo, you know, lots of knob jokes, lots of things about letting warm injections, lots of sex jokes. You were warned beforehand if you don't like the sexual innuendo, there will be a lot of it around. You can put your fingers in your ears and obviously they will avoid it or whatever. We just played along. It was so funny. But had some really genuinely good scares. A number of the team actually hit the floor and really jumped with what was going on. It was a great event. So just want to say thank you to the guys at Scream Factory for inviting us up, and thank you for resurrecting Valentine's Day scares. It's the only one that's actually out there now of the original ones, and we had an absolutely fantastic time. So we hope they will return next year. If they do, come back. It's the right mix of scares, great story, theming, and just some good old-fashioned English bawdy humour like a carry-on movie. And yeah, you can't fault that in any way. So with that, we're going to sign off, and we'll see you soon.